Hello everybody and welcome back to another video by me, Steve Clues. Right now today, I just thought I'd do a short review, not a long review. I'm just doing like a kind of my thoughts of this, of the other Honor 10, as the Huawei Honor 10. This is my thoughts of the phone. Yeah, but first, roll those titles. Right now, here's the phone. It feels quite premium. Right, my first fault I get into this phone is the fact that it does smudge. The back does smudge really easy. You can see. And at the front you get loads of fingerprints on it, so it's like, that's one of the faults of the phone, so you have to keep cleaning it all the time, make it clean. But it does come with a clear screen protector in the box. A case, yeah, screen protector as well at the front here, and a clear case as well. The good thing about this phone is it has face recognition, which basically it unlocks it with your face, the phone itself. Obviously it doesn't unlock. It doesn't unlock. You can use a PIN number. It's quite bright. And the camera is quite good quality because it's at the back here. You have a 24 megapixel camera and a 60 megapixel camera with a flash as well. And it's got an AI camera, which basically makes pictures. Well, I think it makes the pictures better quality. It does do 4K as well, which is good. Now, the version that I've got here is the 4GB version. You can get a 6GB version and an 8GB version of the same phone. And you can also get a 64GB storage one and a 128GB storage one as well, of the same phone as well. This is basically the 4GB version with 128GB storage. Yeah, I mean, to me, this is quite a nice phone. It's got like Android 9.0 on it, which is the latest version of Android. And what I like about the phone itself is you can play Fortnite on it, which I really like. Really thought it was like shocking actually to play that game, because obviously my last phone that I had, it didn't actually play Fortnite because it says it wasn't enough memory. But all the apps load up quite fast, and I haven't really found any really bad problem about the phone. But I've noticed one thing: the speaker grill down here. When sometimes you're in apps and say you listen to music, sometimes that can cover up the sound when you're holding it like that. So that's another fault that I found about this phone. But I haven't really found any other fault. I mean, it's got a fingerprint scanner here, so you can scan your finger to unlock the phone as well. That's another bonus about the phone. I mean, so it's quite light, and obviously I like the front. I like the camera at the front, obviously, because with having a 24 megapixel camera at the front, it's quite good for selfies anyway, if you like taking a lot of selfies. And also, it does 4K video at 30 frames per second, which is not too bad. And it can also do slow motion as well, but it can only do it at 720p. So bear in mind when you get this, you can only do it at and it won't record any sound when you're doing slow motion as well. Just records the slow motion. It doesn't record any sound of it. Well, not that you want sound. I'm just saying. It's just another fault about it. I haven't really had any issues with it's actually switching off or anything like that. Like phones that I've had in the past. I mean, I've had issues where we just all of a sudden something stop responding and just don't work again for some reason. Then just restart. I haven't had any problems like that with the phone yet. Yeah. Anyway, if you'd like to see me doing another video of this phone, doing like, I don't know, like testing it through a few things out on the phone itself and different things, because this, like I say, this is only just a short video of the phone itself. It's just basically my thoughts of the phone. That's basically all it is. It's nothing else. Because I just don't want to be boring like everybody else on YouTube. It's like thousands and thousands of videos of, oh, this phone does this, the phone does that, the phone does. I don't want to be like that. I just want to just tell me my thoughts of the phone itself, and my faults of the phone, and my good points of the phone. That's the reason why I did the video. Yeah, but apart from that, anyway, I'll see you next video. Bye.